everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new Easter nail tutorial for you. I am participating in another nail art challenge over on Instagram, so I thought I would include all of my designs here on my YouTube channel. So these are for the Glam Nails Challenge for April. I did a few, I think, of the March one, but I saw that kind of late, so I didn't really do all of them. But I am joining in this challenge, so I am going to go ahead and get started on this design. So the theme for today's challenge is Easter bunnies, and this is for day 12 of this challenge. And I'm going to go ahead and share with you everything that I will be using for this design. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go check it out. It's at Allie's blog, so you can see all of the different designs that I'm going to be doing for this challenge. Alright, so first off, this is my base color. This is from Girly Bits. This is from the Indie Expo in Toronto that I went to last year. And this one is called Orchiding Me Right. And that's what it looks like on my nails. That's just 2 coats with a top coat there. Then to do some stampings, I'm using painted polish, and this is Blanc Slate. Another painted polish, and this one is Midnight Mischief. Then I'm going to be using this Hit the Bottle polish that I got from Beautometry, and this is Sweet Child of Lime. And another Hit the Bottle polish, also from my Beautometry. I think I got this in my mani box. This is Bubblegum Bliss. Then I'm going to be using this stamping plate from Mooly London. This is Festive Collection 60, so it's from Mooly London. I also got this in my mani box. I believe it was last year. And I'm also going to use an image from this stamping plate. This is the Kawaii, I think that's how you say it, Collection 01. And again from Mooly London, and this is from my mani box as well. Alright, so I'm going to use this image right here first. And that is the finished nail design. I just used my Wet n Wild's Hard as Ice as my top coat. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty cute. So I hope you liked today's Easter bunny nails. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.